Good morning, cuties. Today is a beautiful day. It's winter and it's raining and it's 2 degrees Celsius. It used to be -10, so be happy. 2025 തുടങ്ങിയപ്പോൾ ഞാൻ വിചാരിച്ചു 2025 is gonna be my year. Yeah. It's been 18 days and I've done nothing. So here's the day. Yes, this is my morning tea. Today, I'm gonna do a haircut. Today, I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do with my hair. I've grown it to here. This is our hair now. So messy. Not so messy anymore. I look fabulous in my head. Anyways, we are going and the first destination is my friend's home. I'm taking an Uber. Change of plans. So we are actually going to the saloon because I have an appointment and I don't want to be late. So we'll be seeing the friend after. And my anxiety is kicking in. Okay, let me show you guys how my hair looks now.
Yeah, okay.
A few inches later.
Guys, it's done but it's raining, so I don't want to spoil it because she said it really nice. The person who cut my hair, Olive, she's good. മഞ്ഞ് പെയ്യുകയാണ് ഗായ്സ്, നല്ല മഞ്ഞ് പെയ്യുകയാണ്. അങ്ങനെ ഞാൻ ഫ്രണ്ട്സിൻ്റെ വീട്ടിലെത്തിയിട്ടുണ്ട്. അവരെന്താ ചെയ്യുക, ഞാൻ let's see what they think about my new style. What do you think?
I don't know, I have to see it. Come upstairs. I don't know.
You don't like it? Okay. What do you think? It's okay, you can tell me.
Yeah, no.
You don't like it either? Both of them did not like it. But that's okay. And they think I look like Shaggy from Scooby-Doo. Tea again. Oh my god. I'm actually going home. My friends are dropping me. So I'm home. My friends dropped me here. Bye. 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 It's in the evening. I'm home. Today was a nice day. So it was definitely a productive day. I love my hair. I don't know, my friends did not like it, but I think it's pretty cute, so I love it. And I'm gonna be back for another video. Stay tuned. Bye. Bye.